Hey everyone, it's Steph with TLG here. The weather in Springfield, Missouri has been beautiful this week, so we're taking the opportunity to show off this gorgeous, custom-ordered 579 Ultraloft. Peterbilt unveiled this new model just a couple of years ago, and they've gotten popular really quick, and for good reason. This beauty, painted Sirius White, is a brand new 2020 model. This truck is equipped with a Cummins X15 engine with 450 horses, FlexAir suspension, and a smooth 12-speed automatic transmission. Drivability of this unit is easy even for the less experienced drivers. The model 579 Ultraloft with the wide ergonomic cab and generously sized sleeper are designed for maximum productivity and comfort for the driver. It's installed with IDLESMART, an idle reduction system that not only saves fuel costs, but minimizes maintenance on emissions components. This state-of-the-art system monitors battery voltage for restarts, cabin temperature for driver comfort, and fuel temperature for cold weather starting. It has Peterbilt's most advanced aerodynamics called the Epiq Package, which includes full chassis fairings, all the way around to help with your fuel economy, up to 3% in fact. Also to help keep those fuel costs down, it has a raised full roofline, which prevents the need for a separate roof fairing that can add as much as 200 pounds to the tractor sleeper. Peterbilt has optimized everything from low rolling resistance tires to the fairings, sleeper extenders with rubber flares and closeouts. It has a full left-hand sleeper side door with easy access to both the storage compartment under the lower bunk and above the bunk to allow for easy suitcase or clothing loading into the sleeper. This is a great feature for team drivers with plenty of extra storage space. Speaking of space, the Ultraloft adds 7.1 cubic feet of storage space compared to our 80-inch mid-roof. The overall interior height of the truck is a little over 8 feet, so it gives you plenty of storage. With bright mirrors and a bright sun visor along with all aluminum wheels, this unit is sharp. The cubbies above the passenger and driver seats that open and shut add even more. There's also a wardrobe cabinet that adds additional height. The bar is moved up 3 inches in the Ultraloft model, making its total capacity 42 inches. It actually fits up to size 2XL shirts that won't fold at the bottom. The cabinet on the driver's side has room for 2 CPAP machines. Again, super handy for team drivers. There's also room for a microwave, a 32-inch flat-screen TV that can be mounted at the end of the lower bunk, a small workstation, and a factory refrigerator. This Ultraloft is also equipped with a double bunk. There's a fold-away ladder allowing easy upper bunk access, supporting up to 400 pounds. It's as easy as sliding it down and back up, stowing the ladder away to be hidden. The top bunk can also fold up when the ladder isn't in use. Speaking of which, the upper mattress is 36 inches by 82 inches, and the lower mattress, which includes premium coil spring, is 42 inches by 85 inches. There's some great headroom here. A very tall driver can sit on the lower bunk without touching his head to the upper bunk. The upper sleeper window adds so much more natural light, and it tilts out, allowing that fresh spring air into your cab. The Ultraloft also has an impressive number of outlets, a total of 6 12-volt outlets, 3 110-volt outlets, and 2 USB ports. And when the sun goes down, there are 4 LED dome lights with 3 directional reading lights you can turn on and off from your dash. This tractor has so much interior space that you can even get your daily cardio exercises in. We have 4 of these Sirius White and 5 cream color beauties in stock. Contact us at any of our locations or visit www.tldtrucks.com to learn more.